The story of the Baltic Electromechanical enterprise began in 1970 in the town of Boksy-Zagorsk, and for many years it was one of the leading manufacturers of electrotechnical equipment in the Leningrad region. However, the company lost its former importance during perestroika and the economic slump that followed it. The old technological base and the level of production from aging equipment were not conducive to development and progress. The situation changed radically after the influx of a new team of young managers. In 2003, a full review of the company's strategy was conducted. Within a short time, the factory had been reconstructed and re-equipped, and the company began to develop and manufacture modern technological articles. Taking into account the constantly growing demand for electrical equipment, the new leadership set basic targets for the improvement of the company's internal management system and the structure of relations with its customers and partners. A new modern company was established on the base of the old Boksy-Zagorsk electromechanical plant, the Baltic Electromechanical Enterprise. Today, Bemp is one of the 10 leading manufacturers in its field in Russia. In the last 6 years, production has increased fourfold. This impressive growth has been assisted by the company having its own manufacturing complex, with a total area of 40,000 square meters. Bemp has a modern complex of metalworking and assembly sections. Machine tools and hardware from leading world brands enable the company to maintain its position as one of the leading Russian manufacturers of electromechanical equipment. The company's specially devised design documentation of its own products guarantees customers an individual approach to their requirements and to the particular characteristics of the use of the company's equipment. The enterprise's dynamic development and its use of modern technologies and reliable hardware have enabled the Baltic Electromechanical enterprise to attract the attention of leading world manufacturers of electrical machinery. Since 2006, the company has been an official industrial partner of Schneider Electric, a world leader in the manufacture of electrical engineering equipment. Since 2007, the company has been a leading partner of Siemens in the introduction of low-voltage commutation appliances. Since 2009, Bemp has been a leading partner of ABB in the introduction of a 635 kV commutator in projects for the comprehensive electrical equipping of objects in the oil industry. The company's employees regularly undergo training and practical experience in the training centres and production sites of its Western partners in Germany, France and Italy. Each whole piece of equipment is made and supplied by the same manufacturer and is an item of full factory readiness with installed and mounted equipment, including power transformers, a full range of firefighting appliances, a range of electrical protection appliances, and the set of information plates that are essential according to the requirements of Russian and international standards. The completed item undergoes controlled assembly and verification. The substations come with fully installed primary and secondary chains and power transformers inside each module. The cords and bus bars, the elements used to connect the two transformer substation modules, are marked and fitted inside the modules. The finished product has maximum durability and is vandal-proof. The assembly of the complete equipment takes no longer than 2 or 3 days, including connection and testing, which saves the customer up to 50% of the cost of installation. Among the Baltic Electromechanical Enterprise's principal products are Tiger complete modular transformer substations in metal casings, which are regularly to be found in Rosneft and Lukoil oil wells and southern Kuzbass coal mines, at the airports in Yekaterinburg and Vladivostok, in strategic objects of the Ministry of Defense, and in subdivisions of Russian railways. Iva and Kleon 610 kV regulating mechanisms operate accident-free at the Metchel and Rusal iron and steel works. Dubrava complete transformer substations in monolithic reinforced concrete casings are used in new residential districts of Irkutsk, Volgograd, Murmansk, the Leningrad region, and in Khanty-Mansiysk. Olkha low-voltage regulating devices are used by many large timber processing companies in Russia. Another indicator of BEMP's success in the electrical machinery market is its extensive dealer network, which includes major players of national stature. Every fifth new oil well in Russia uses Baltic Electromechanical enterprise equipment. 1 in every 4 Russian airports is being reconstructed on the basis of the company's equipment. A quarter of Russia's economic zones are being constructed and developed with energy from BEMP equipment. Every other radar station on Russia's borders built and put into operation with BEMP equipment. Every third new concentrating factory in Kuzbass coal mines is built from BEMP equipment. From Kaliningrad to Sakhalin Island, from Nalchik to Novaya Zemlya, such is the range of the supply of BEMP equipment. So, what is the secret of BEMP's success? Above all, carefully planned investment in production. A flexible approach to customers' requirements, including non-standard projects. Efforts to minimize the periods for the production, supply and adjustment of equipment. The use of only top-quality components. Planned development of partner relations and an effective dealer network. However, the company's most important resource is its workforce, its employees. It is thanks to their professionalism and their focus on the company's results that the Baltic Electromechanical enterprise has become one of the leaders in the industry, producing high-quality machinery and services and earning the respect of its customers and partners.